With just 2 phases left in the Bihar elections, campaigning seems to be hitting a fever pitch, with the BJP president Amit Shah making an extraordinary and deeply controversial comment while campaigning in Bihar.
लाना चाहते हैं जंगल राज को। मित्रों, गलती से भी अगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी बिहार में हार गई, गलती से भी अगर भारतीय जनता पार्टी बिहार में हार गई, तो जय पराजय तो बिहार में होगी, फटाके पाकिस्तान में जाकर जलेंगे। आप चाहते हैं पाकिस्तान में फटाके जले?
Rahul Srivastava joining us at this point for more. Rahul, didn't the BJP president say, in fact, that the Bihar elections cannot even be seen as a reflection on the centre? Why would he bring in Pakistan now?
Ankita, the BJP would love a bit of a polarization in Bihar. 2 phases yet to go. Last time around in the Lok Sabha elections, riding on the Modi wave, the BJP had one sizable number of seats if one divides the Lok Sabha seats into assembly seats. Now, this statement by Mr. Amit Shah, if seen in isolation, can be seen as a frivolous remark. But if you add what has been happening in Bihar campaigning over the last few days, this is definitely an attempt to polarize. Why do I say that? Just a few days ago, Mr. Prime Minister Narendra Modi at a rally had talked about the fact that if warning the voters that there is an attempt by the rivals to actually create reservations for minorities. That minority reservation issue was raised primarily as an attempt to polarize. If you look at what the RSS has been doing over the last 10 days, there has been a conscious attempt by the RSS and a decision to step up its assistance to the BJP. The assistance is not mere assistance in terms of sheer campaigning or ordinary campaigning. The RSS is going door to door. Thousands of its pracharaks are out in the field, and they are meeting voters, especially Dalits and backwards, primarily talking about Hindu self-esteem. Third element, the RSS is starting a 3-day meeting in Ranchi, which was once part of the capital of undivided Bihar. And the agenda is the religious census, which has talked about the fact that there is an increase in Muslim population, Hindu population below 80 crore. The attempt again is to raise a communal element, which eventually can be used in the Bihar theatre. That is why one can very clearly say, to neutralize the backward strength of the rivals, somewhere the BJP is trying to create a Hindu campaign.
All right, Rahul, thanks very much indeed for bringing some perspective to that.